personality ng tao.
At saka,
Tama.
it's not the destination, it's the trip. Sabi ni Direk Joy.
Tama.
Sabi ni Direct Joy, it's a journey. Hindi, pero ang sinasabi ninyo, kung crush lamang halimbawa, get to know him better, doesn't necessarily mean that you are committing yourself to him.
Yeah, kasi kung masyado kang concerned na gusto ka niya, hindi mo siya makikilala ng gusto.
That's true.
Ito naman, galing Korea of Marikina City. In love po ako sa best friend ko. Anong gagawin ko?
In love siya sa best friend niya?
Yeah.
Naku, what do you do
Siyempre,
ba?
the curious question is your best friend a girl or a boy?
True.
It doesn't matter, love is love. It doesn't matter, love is love.
Oh, Casey said love is love.
Love is
ikaw,
love.
Richard.
It's borderless.
So, kunyari ikaw, you have a girl na best friend, and you feel that the best friend is in love na with you, but you look at her like a friend lang talaga. Paano
Like a sister.
yun?
Yeah.
Hirap yan. Hirap yun.
Kasi as a friend, ayaw mo i-hurt yung feelings, pero ikaw, you don't have those romantic feelings.
Pero yung positive side naman nun, dahil best friend mo siya, kaya lang kilala na isa't isa,